YouTube University, what up, what up? This your boy Sherman the Barber. I'm just here to give a YouTube University PSA and remind you that everything you do needs to put safety first. I am not a professional mechanic. I'm a professional barber. So the things I'm showing you on these videos are how I executed my daily tasks. So please keep that in mind when you're watching my videos. Now, what I did in this video worked for me. It may not work for you. Jordan Shrug. So with that being said, let's get right into it. All right, so I'm about to unhook that. Yeah, that was super loud. Anyway, I'm about to replace I'm about to replace the regulator on this Kobalt 26-gallon Quiet Tech compressor. That's what we're looking at, man. That's the compressor. 26-gallon. It's for the barbershop, confidence cuts. So the regulator is going bad, I believe. So I called Kobalt. They sent me another one super quickly, I'll say. Surprisingly fast. So we're about to try to replace that bad boy with the part they sent me. Oh, and the part they sent me is right here. This is the regulator.
Regulators! Mount up!
All right, now that I got all the little bolts out, I had 3 that I stripped, so I had to get them from the back side. Pause. Now I can see what I'm working with. See, that plate's off now. Let's see if I can get him out of the way. Make sure that I have all the air off. This might be loud, so. I'll be back. So after I got the plate off, got the compressor drain. Let me back up. I just have to disconnect these parts. This hose.
I've got holes. I've got holes in
This and this and this that I'm holding. Now, I don't know if this is gonna be the hardest part, but this is what I thought was gonna be the hardest part. So we're gonna see what happens. I got these bad boys. So hopefully they help me do the trick, man. All right, we're gonna be back. So I scuffed up the old regulator a little bit. You can kind of see. Let me see if I can see that. But it kind of don't matter because it's old and it's being replaced. So, moving right along. Okay, these aren't bad at all. We're gonna see how easy this one comes off, because so far so good. We're gonna see. Boom. All right. All right, so I got pretty much everything off except for this part, and hopefully this will be just as easy as everything else. We're gonna see. But this is the part that I was trying to figure out just by eyeballing it, how it would come off. As a matter of fact, you know what? I'm tripping. I just realized something. Thank God. It's the new one. It ain't gotta come off. Ah, boy. So now, this is all my pieces. Boom. Got my Teflon Don.
Maybach music.
I'm gonna rewrap these. These already got stuff on them, so little screws, they good. Rewrap these parts. Put them back into the new regulator, and go from there. Y'all stay tuned. All right, so now that I got the two gauges on, I just got to tighten these up and we'll put it back together. And I also got to put tape on this hose. I forgot about that. And tighten that back on. But we halfway there. All right, so now I got everything together. Hopefully everything's tight enough. Everything is on there, so we're gonna see if it is indeed tight enough when I put this plate back on. I'm about to put the plate back on, connect everything need to be connected, plug it back up, turn it on, and see what happens. All right. Tighten everything back up. This is for the strip ones. Boom, boom. It's been a little handy set right here. It's an old Stanley, bro. I had this thing for probably at least a decade. I was about to say decades. At least a decade, man. Old Stanley.
For the last time, would you please stay off my freaking grass?
All right,
please.
so everything's on here. Everything is tight. Hopefully it's tight as it need to be. Now I'm about to got that in there. Got to plug it up. And turn it on. Fingers crossed. Let's see. All right, so I'm gonna go out here, let it charge up, and hopefully when it get, or you know what I mean when I say charge up. Hopefully when it get full of air, I won't hear no leaks. We'll see. So the tank just stopped. The compressor just stopped. As you can see, it's full, and I let some pressure into the tool side. It's going up. So he's slowing down right at around 60, what's that, 65? Like 65, I guess. So, let's see. Yeah, boy. Yes, sir. So as you can see, the compressor works good. Just all the hair that my barbers did not blow out before they left today. But as you can see, it works. All right, so the compressor regulator replacement was a success. It charged up good, it's running good. All the hoses at every station work, they blow air. So right now it seems like a success. We're gonna check back tomorrow and then a little throughout the week, but it's a go for now. So appreciate y'all for watching. And that's how you replace the regulator on a Kobalt 26 gallon Quiet Tech compressor.